MASV Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you work with large media files, MASV promises fast, secure, and reliable file transfers, but is it the best solution for your workflow? One of the biggest pros is speed. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the time large file transfers take. MASV is optimized for massive video or audio files, handling transfers of hundreds of gigabytes without crashes or interruptions. This is ideal for creative professionals who need quick delivery to clients or collaborators. Another advantage is simplicity. The app doesn't require complex setup. You can drag and drop files, send download links, and track deliveries in real time. Recipients don't need an account, which eliminates friction and ensures smoother collaboration. MASV also emphasizes security. All transfers are encrypted and the platform automatically expires download links after a set period, protecting sensitive content. The dashboard provides detailed reports showing who downloaded files and when, adding transparency and accountability. However, there are cons. Pricing is based on the amount of data transferred, which may become costly for frequent, large-scale projects. The app doesn't provide long-term storage, so it's not a replacement for cloud archives. Also, users with slower internet connections may still experience limitations despite the app's optimization. In conclusion, MASV is a reliable solution for professionals handling large media files who need speed, security, and ease of use. The surprising truth is that while MASV excels in transfer efficiency, it's not a full storage solution, so you'll still need backup options. For anyone in media production or creative work, MASV streamlines the file delivery process and ensures your projects reach clients quickly, but plan for storage and costs if you transfer files regularly.